Excuse the mess. I look like a mess. Everything's a mess. December 24. It's currently 12:30 and we're preparing for our annual Christmas party for the Samagi clan. Outside, they're already setting up the decorations and the backdrops. Now I'm wrapping the gifts for the raffle. I decided to film this day or vlog this day because I'm not sure if I could celebrate Christmas here next year. So yeah, I want to take a really good memory of this day.
Welcome to this year's Christmas party. It's Sumagi Family's 2025.
Time is 6:20. I just got done from wrapping the gifts. I'll show it to you guys. Here's everything. And this is the aftermath. So yeah, that's it for now. And get ready. The theme is Blue Christmas. Hopefully we'll find something.
We are excited to be here with all of you. I am Gian and Ali. And we are here to celebrate and So, you face that? Okay. DJ? Kids, pila na? 10 members. Kahit sino po, if you consider yourself adult kayo. Yes. Huwag niyo pong putukin yung balloon, please. Sino na ang silip? Ayan na. Santos. Ayan. May bala sa... Ay, si Chelsea! Wow! Wow! Yes! That's DJ! Okay, kung saan tumigil, that's your gift. Adjust ka dyan, ha? Okay, get that. Rocco, this is yours. Yeah!
Ay!
Uy, napagod si Mindy. Mapagod ang siyangkay. Guru!
Ayusin natin po para hindi nakakaya sa ano mo.
Yung estado.
Diyan ka lang, kausapin mo sila.
Ayaw nga magsalita eh.
Mamaya, sige ko lang.
Hindi kasha eh. Hindi kasha. Ganyan yan.
Wala kang lusot doon, di mag-load. Production ng... Jen, doon na kayo sa maliit na kwarto ha.
Ako kaya.
Wow! Bibigyan mo ini.
Ayun na!
Ang bait niya. Ganun pala kasi dapat choco here.
Ang hindi na masyado papasok sa loob ng bahay.
Parang mas gusto ko nga ano lang eh. Walang second floor.
Parang,
Bungalow lang.
bungalow.
Pauwi naman na. Bye, Choco. Bye, JJ.
Bye.